Hey, welcome to Boozehive. In this video, we're going to make a Pink Gin Fizz. This cocktail is perfect for gin lovers, especially at parties or events where you fancy something a little sweeter than a boring G&T. So, let's get into it. You're going to need pink gin, simple syrup, pink grapefruit juice, orange juice, some lemonade or soda to top, and some ice. Start by adding a double shot of pink gin. Then add a single shot of simple syrup. Without spilling any, add a double shot of orange juice. And a double shot of pink grapefruit juice. Close your shaker and give it a shake. Pour your drink into an ice cold gin balloon. Then slowly top with either lemonade or soda. And there we have it, the Pink Gin Fizz. Hey, thank you for watching to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye!